Once the American Heart Association said that, "Protect your heart today for a healthier tomorrow." Welcome to Flicky Facts. Have you ever thought about how simple it could be to keep track of your blood pressure from the comfort of your home? Imagine using a device that provides reliable readings and connects directly to your smartphone. In this video, we're going to talk about the iHealth Push Wrist Blood Pressure Monitor KD723 and explore whether it might be a helpful companion for managing your heart health or not. So stay tuned to learn more. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the iHealth Push BP Monitor, 2 batteries, a user manual, and a storage box. If you want to buy the iHealth Push Blood Pressure Monitor from Amazon, just tap the link in the description below. Display indicators: date and time display, memory indicator, systolic pressure, blood pressure level classification indicator, pulse rate, irregular heartbeat symbol, diastolic pressure, Bluetooth symbol, low battery, pressure in cuff is unstable or much remnant air in cuff, and heartbeat indicator. Install the batteries. First, remove the protective cover from the back. Install the batteries. Place back the protective cover. Set up with app. Download and install the iHealth MyVitals app from the App Store or Google Play. Sign into your account, synchronize with your blood pressure, and take health notes. Safety precautions. Avoid eating, drinking, bathing, smoking, and exercising for 30 minutes before taking a measurement. Check the battery. Apply the cuff correctly. Adjust your body posture. How to use. Connect the cuff with the monitor. Apply the cuff around your bare wrist. Make sure that the cuff has a clearance of 1 finger or 1 to 2 centimeters between the cuff and the bottom of your palm. Step 3. Position your arm so the cuff is at the same level as your heart, and sit down with your back supported and feet flat on the ground. Step 4. Relax and press the start or stop button and get your result on the LCD display. Measurement classifications: normal blood pressure, fluctuation, blood pressure, classification for adults. Maintenance tips. Features: adjustable strap for convenient wearing and measurement. Easy to use without the need to roll up your sleeves. Compact size for portability and convenience. Perfect for on-the-go and day-to-day measurements wherever you are. Leveraging more than 2 decades of research expertise and drawing from a colossal pool of information acquired through over 100,000 research study data points, iHealth has pioneered its exclusive, intelligent physiological features recognition algorithms. Effortlessly track, manage, and share your measurements with built-in Bluetooth and the free iHealth MyVitals app. For intuitive blood pressure interpretation. Color-coded blood pressure indicator takes the guesswork out of your blood pressure by categorizing results into easy-to-understand ranges. Specifications. Troubleshooting. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your iHealth Push Blood Pressure Monitor. See you in the next one.